Hi mga bebe ko, good morning. Time check, it's 8:30 and we are in a rush kasi magdudubay kami. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. After a while kasi sobrang busy ng person. Pero push. I'll bring the kids with me. Hindi na sila pumasok since kahapon. Because baby girl had oral surgery. Kaya puyat-puyat kami these days. Siyempre kasi masakit. Nagre-recover pa siya. But anyway, we are heading to Dubai kasi ko-collect namin yung passports nilang dalawa. Actually, dapat kukunin ko na ako lang. Pero since adult na si baby boy pala, kailangan yung presence niya. So, ang ending, inantay ko na matapos yung exams. Last 2 weeks ago pa ready yun eh. Kaso, ngayon lang kami free. So, push natin yan. May breakouts ako, kakapuyat. Pero okay lang yan, laban. Worth it naman. Dapat pala, naglagay pala ako ng nail polish kagabi. Pero tatanggalin ko rin kasi parang yung kulay niya, parang kulay, pupo. Nakainis. So, mabilisan lang to. Actually, antok pa ako kasi last 6 ako nakatulog kanina. Gising kami ni baby girl all night. Pero, laban. Today is Thursday. It's the 2nd of July. Yeah, push. Drive mode ako ngayon. Wala si Habibu, nasa workshop. Kaya, ilaban natin ang Dubai driving, guys. Ito pa yung fit check ko. Outfit lang natin. Wait lang. Ayan, nag-dress lang ako ng formal-formalan. Tapos, I use this one as a cover up. Tapos, yung gift ni Bebe Boy na bag, yun ang gagamitin ko. Kasi kasya yung mga documents. Tapos, nag-flats lang din ako. So, ayan. Tapos, tinali ko lang ulit yung buhok ko. Yung pataas. Ganun. Very simple. Nagmamadili style of, lakad. Tara. Let's go, guys! So, ayan. Tinanggal ko muna yung sweater ko kasi mainit. Pero, yeah. For the picture. Tingnan na yung nails. Ang tsaka. Tapos, eto na-burn ako kahapon ng mantika. Nagluluto ako. So, ayan. Nag-aantay pa yung mga tiklupin ko. Hindi pa ako tapos sa kaloka. But anyway, this is the fit check. Very simple, basic lang. And the kalat in the back. Don't mind. Ayan, on the way na tayo. Sana hindi ma-traffic. Kasi time check, it's already 9:12. Dumaan kami sa, Bacala. And ngayon, dadaan naman kami sa Adnoc to get some gas also. So, yeah. Push. Scan. Kakayanin ko ba to, bebe boy?
Yep.
Laban. Push! So, ayan. Drive mode muna tayo, guys. Tingnan niyo yung view. Charot. Walang view. Desierto. Okay. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nakakalimutan ko yung camera ko. Ay, yung phone. So, ayan, dumaan na kami ng Adnoc and now we are heading to Dubai.
Wow.
O, kanta ka nga, bebe boy.
Oh, sorry. What song?
And I try to find some way to the moon. Wala kasi silang gadget na dinala. And itong phone na pinangbablog ko, low bat. Yung main phone ko, ayun, naka-charge. Ay, naka-map. You someday, somehow, a way to be darling. I love you so.
Shout out to John.
Shout out! How about baby girl right there? What is she doing? Reading.
To John
Your
and
French
Ready on
book.
Fire.
Good job.
Oh, what's our friend?
Naam? My goodness sake. Where are we now?
Dubai.
In 600 meters, take the ramp to Sheikh Mohammed bin
Okay.
Zayed Road.
Tignan mo yung road din.
Be quiet, no phone.
My Yeah, be quiet. Hindi doesn't have to be quiet. Ala, did I go the wrong way?
No, you're going right. You're going right. You go.
Okay, we follow the road. They have me. Watch me get stressed in Dubai Road, Char. Woo! Laban. Ilang minutes pa? 29 minutes. Actually, we are near. Charot. We
Laban.
are nearly, nearly stressed. Sunod-sunod lang tayo dito sa truck kasi why not? Diba? Tiis pangit.
Mom, you're gonna go down here.
I want to go down but not yet.
No, you have to.
6, 7.
Because you don't want to take a full turn.
No?
No, you have to go
I
down.
have to take a full turn.
Oh wait, no, it's going down already.
It's
I'm
leading.
Peppa Pig.
Oh my gosh.
This is my little brother George.
Geneva.
Jabba, I hear this in every video, I swear.
Buti nga hindi yung nothing beats the jet to holiday. Ganun
You know, I
siya
wanted to
lagi.
share the video that I took with my friends
Me? And then?
of the Oryx when we were going to Oryx Hotel. I can hear Janaba snorting in the background.
Really?
And you know my tablet. Traffic tayo.
Traffic? Ganun talaga, tiis pangit.
Because there's a stoplight here.
Yeah. So ayan, mga ano pa tayo, 15 minutes. And yun, makikita niyo yung Palm Jumeirah. Dito yung French Embassy.
Yes, and then you go somewhere else when you're trying to go to one place.
Okay?
And then what will the GPS tracker say?
It will just lead you to a longer route. It will always lead you back to, I don't know,
To where you are heading.
but it will
So it will
take some time.
It will find a way to go
Yeah,
back to that same place.
something like that.
It's a GPS. Sorry.
Look at the ano, oh, Burj Al Arab.
Then
Al
the
Arab.
GPS tracker.
Burj Al Arab. Bakit talaga ng sound niya, no? Garalgal. Hindi yung phone ba? Sila. Jumeirah it is.
Mansoor.
Mansoor.
Keep left to stay on Hessa Street, D61.
Who is Mansoor? Nice yung mga buildings. Char. Hello, Dubai. Huwag mong i-video yung mga sasakyan.
In 400 meters, keep left to stay on King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud Street, D94.
I have no idea what you just said. Yeah, straight lang.
Keep left, sabi niya.
Oh. Okay, yeah, here.
Right yan. Parang ka na. We're so lost, guys. We missed one turn kasi may construction. I think from here I know already.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I just have to go straight.
So ayan, nag-pay parking na lang kami. 30. Kasi ballet style siya. Because there's no parking outside. Grabe, success ang driving, guys. Yung pauwi na lang ang iisipin natin. Pero less, ano yun, less isipin. Kuya, naalala ako. I'm going to the French embassy to collect a passport. Okay.
This one.
Oh, let's go, Janaba.
Because you saw it open, Janaba.
Sa trapdo.
I can hear my noise.
But that's not true.
Hi. Janaba, look here.
You know, your camera cropped me in. When
Yeah.
it was waving, it was waving.
Yan, magpa-pop na naman yung ears mo.
Mommy.
Ah. Ayan.
Your twin's hand.
Outfit check. Hindi ko na sunuot to.
Me too. Like that.
Ayun na yung ears ko, nag-pop na, baby girl. It's so taas.
Me too. You feel it too, though, right?
Bonjour! So ayun mga bebe ko, we are done ho. Pag-uwi na kami. And yeah, kasama ko yung mga kids. So hindi na ako makapag-vlog kasi full na yung phone ko and patay na yung isang phone ko. Push on the way home. Chika-chika na lang pag may time at pag may maichika pa. Pero for sure wala na. Uwi na kami ng Al Ain. Bye!
Bye-bye.